Neither is it of him that willeth, but it is of God that showeth mercy. So now you so here, Niru Jehovah Bonani na Maronyawaya, Ikweka.
CHIJIOKE KJW, the friends in abroad, the friends in Nigeria, we are supporting the church with 1.something million. The other
Chief CHIJIOKE KJW here representing the Southeast Boys and Girls Brigade of the Methodist Church. We have presented them to give you the medal as one of the chief patrons of the brigade in Eastern Nigeria. You are just about 15 and you are one of them, one of the lucky ones. This will be done in the church, but we are not given the opportunity to do it. And for that, we have come in here to present to you this award. Thank you very much, sir. I ask that Reverend Wisdom Friday Emichi put on the medal as a chief patron of the Boys and Girls Brigade under the Methodist Church AMB, Association of Methodist Brigade. Okay, bye. I'm happy to come over. I have a child. The general salute for the Boys Brigade. Barani, get a group of Wako, Car, and Aya. What about the young man? How about the young man? What a miracle! What a miracle!
Ndili lebereba onye tarajia atatara ahoma yobuna anyị biri aka ọ ga-agaziri anyị n'ime ihe niile ka Chineke nara otuto n'aha Jizọs. Oke nwa ugo dị ala mma Nwachukwu telude ndị ọma wele ekene ebe kuwe dike nwa mama oke mmanwụ eji ama atụtụ oke mmanwụ injinia ọbata obodo akwụlụ asị na ogologo ndụ narị isi ike ị ga-ada ego ga-abata abata onye na-eme mma ka a na-eshi eshishi oke nwa ugwu mba wele ekene m.
Oh, why? God, why? God bless you.
Okay, my name is Julius Ezekov from Edo State, Benin precisely. Today's ceremony is something that I'm very happy about, because it's not easy for you to work for years and at the end of the day you retire. And not only that, your community, the church, the religious, they recognize you. And when they recognize you and they give you something and to serve, that is the joy a man can have in life. What can you do to humanity? That is what I'm happy about. That's why I've been here for more than 1 week. And that is to make sure this ceremony is a successful one. And I thank God that today is a successful one.
Okay, my name is CHIJIOKE KJW. I'm the elder brother to Sir Chief CHIJIOKE KJW. So we are very much excited. This is a celebration for the family for today, and we feel so happy that this is taking place today. And if I give you the reason, there are numerous reasons why we are celebrating that's making us happy. One, our mother was sick and God delivered her. So, and we feel so happy that she's alive today. Okay? And secondly, my immediate younger brother, that's the one that's celebrating today too, worked meritoriously for 35 years and retired without any problem. So it's a cause to be happy and thankful to God. You understand? So, and to also crown it, last Sunday, they gave him the highest award in the Methodist Church. So, he is a knight now of John Wesley in the Methodist Church.
More happiness equal much equal. Only I make when I hear one more. Only I remember one. I remember now have money. I'm surviving party. I don't get 35 years, but I may retire. Then we're going so. Then we're going so. For long. Chineke maybe the man survive. Then we're going so. So we may I never lost some money. Faster, Gachala University, but I like in a master's. I remember how I learned. Got be the motor body who go. I let me. Be the motor. To CHIJIOKE KJW. I know. I don't know how much they are eligible. My
name is CHIJIOKE. I'm the wife of CHIJIOKE KJW, the first son in the family of the CHIJIOKE. And that means the sister-in-law to the celebrants, you know. And of course, one of the celebrants is my mother-in-law, you know. I'm beyond happy. I don't know how to express my joy. I'm excited, I'm happy, and I thank God for this beautiful occasion.
My name is Mrs. Chinenye Oyemachi CHIJIOKE, the junior sister to the chief celebrant, Sir Chief Engineer CHIJIOKE KJW. What can I really say unto God? His continual guidance and protection, goodness and mercy upon the life of my family, CHIJIOKE family, cannot be listed. So I only want to say is, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. What can I say unto the Lord? All I have to say, thank you.
CHIJIOKE KJW, immediate younger brother of Sir Chief CHIJIOKE KJW, the Kumba one of our. It's like a tree that was planted on the river that was watered all season. It's like a trumpet was. In the first place, in the military area, and came back from home. No kidnapping, incident, nothing. He came back safely. Secondly, my mom, she survived a cancer operation, breast cancer. Before my breast was cut off. My names are Sir Chief CHIJIOKE KJW. I am particularly very happy on today's occasion, even the occasion of last Sunday where I was confined with a night of John Wesley. I took a retirement after 35 years of service, and I'm starting another phase of my life with the church, meaning that I have returned home to serve my people and to serve my God. It's really a very exciting moment and situation for me, which I'm thanking God for the honor God has given me to serve Him.